Hey guys, I'm Aparna and welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. I am here today to do a 6-month general reading for the sign of Pisces. Please remember that not all the messages will resonate with all the Pisceans out here. So please take what resonates and leave the rest. You can also check your other sign placements, your moon sign, Venus sign placements for additional messages. Also, I would these readings that I'm doing today are for the next 6 months from July to December, and it will be really difficult to know in advance if this resonates with you or not. So I would highly recommend that you come back to this video every month, in the beginning and in the end, because then you will have a better idea of how this is resonating with you in your life. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up 2 cards for each month, July to December, and we will see what are the energies that are presenting itself for you each month. And you can always come back and watch this video like at the beginning and the end, along with my other monthly readings that I do every month, both love and in general life, and you can make sense of all of it when you put it together. Okay, so yeah, let's see what are the messages coming out for Pisces. I would also like to thank all my subscribers for all the subscriptions, likes, shares, comments. Thank you so much, guys. Please do continue showering your love on these readings because it'll help me grow as a reader. And if you've not yet liked, shared or subscribed, you can always check out my previous videos. I have created a playlist of each month, and I've created separate playlists for love and general readings along with bonus readings, so you can check those out. If you like how I do my readings, you can always give me a like, share and subscribe to my channel as well. So let's see what are the messages coming for Pisces for the next 6 months. Messages for Pisces for the next 6 months. Messages for Pisces for the next 6 months. Okay, Pisces, July is Page of Pentacles and 10 of Pentacles. August is King of Wands, the Star. September is Knight of Pentacles and the Ace of Cups. Wow. October is the Six of Wands and the Judgment. November is the Knight of Swords and the Moon. December is the Temperance and the Ace of Swords. Overall energy is the Fool and the Three of Wands. So Pisces, July. In July I see you being the Page of Pentacles and the 10 of Pentacles. Okay, so I don't know if you're dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Could be somebody coming with a stable offer towards you. This could be in any area of your life, love, career. But if it is love, I see it could be a Taurus, Virgo or a Capricorn earth sign. And you see a 10 of Pentacles with them, or they have what they're offering is the 10 of Pentacles to you, like a happy family life, stability. There is kids, there's partnership, there is a dog, there's money. Okay, so there's a lot of stability coming in with this Page of Pentacles for you. And if it's career also, I see good beginnings, new beginnings in the month of July for you, which could lead you to the 10 of Pentacles, security, stability, happy family life, that kind of a thing. Okay, so July looks good. August is, you have the King of Wands and the Star. So again, somebody probably a fire sign, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, coming towards you with a passionate offer, and this person could be your wish fulfillment You probably have prayed for this person to come into your life, and this person is bringing in a lot of passion into your life. Okay, so I feel that you probably wished upon a star for this person, this kind of a relationship. Okay, so I see August being about passion and romance and wish fulfillment kind of a thing for you. September, I see the Knight of Pentacles and the Ace of Cups. So again, a very slow moving offer coming towards you in love. But even though it's a slow offer, it's an offer of deep love. Okay, whatever this Knight of Pentacles is bringing, maybe he is probably the slowest moving knight in the deck, but nevertheless, what he's offering you is deep commitment and love. Okay, so that's coming up for you in September. Again, Knight of Pentacles is a earth sign. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. October is Six of Wands and the Judgment. So Six of Wands is about success, you finding fame, recognition, success with something in your life. People are recognizing you, they are looking up to you, and I feel this is what you prayed for. This is what the universe is gifting you. You know, this is the Judgment card, is the universe giving you what you deserve, and what you are getting is the Six of Wands. Okay, a lot of success coming your way in the month of October. November is the Knight of Swords and the Moon. So I feel there is some kind of clarity coming towards you, somebody with a message, clear message coming towards you, rushing towards you. In fact, you will not expect that to happen, but it has caused you to, you know, although the message is clear, there is some kind of confusion in your mind about it. There are some things that are not clear in your head about this message or this information that's coming towards you in the month of November. This could also be you hiding your feelings about something. So maybe somebody's coming in with some kind of communication towards you, very clear communication, but you're not able to express your feelings towards them. This is also you being vulnerable. Could be that you're being very vulnerable at this time, you know, or maybe this communication makes you feel vulnerable. So it could resonate in many ways. Okay, like it could be any story. Okay, so that is coming towards you in November. December, I feel you are gaining clarity about something, and the Temperance card. So you are creating a balance in your life with regards to this sudden clarity that you're gaining. Okay, or maybe this clarity that you're gaining is creating that balance in your life. Okay, maybe things were not very clear, like I said, in the past previous month for you, and you know, in December suddenly you get that clarity, and maybe if you were too vulnerable in the month of November, December I see you being in balance. Okay, you have control over what you are doing, what you're thinking, the way you are being, because this person has both the sun and the moon, and he's balancing those energies between the two. So I feel you're coming into balance in the month of December, gaining some kind of clarity as well. The overall energies for you is the Fool and the Three of Wands. So I feel that you are you want to take a leap of faith with regards to something, and you know, you are taking that leap of faith here, you know, with a Fool card. The Fool is number 0 in the tarot deck. So it's about new beginnings for you. So I think the next 6 months is about new beginnings for you, taking that step towards something without fear. Nothing is holding you back there. Okay, and maybe it's with regards to, you know, you're making a lot of plans for the future, so maybe you are finally taking a leap of faith with regards to those plans. Maybe earlier it was just about planning, and now you are taking action as well, so you're making that leap towards taking action in something with regards to something in your life. Okay, but it's good, it's a good new beginning for you, many new beginnings coming up for you with regards to whatever that you had planned so far. Okay, so maybe the last 6 months have been about planning, and now it's about executing those plans, and you are going up ahead very fearlessly towards those plans that you made. So Pisces, this is what I have for you. Like I said, come back every month, beginning and the end, to check how this resonates. Along with this, I'm also going to put up your monthly reads for love and general life, so you will get a sense of these energies when you check that as well. You can combine the two and make sense of out of this. Okay, so yeah, do come back to watch these this reading again and again. And this is I hope this resonates with you. Okay, and please do give me a like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon with another reading. Till then, take care. Bye.